Good morning everyone. I am the Satvik student of the class 12. I would like to throw a light on a topic which is important to retain a life on our earth, that is nature conservation. Nature has provided us an enormous gift such as air, water, land, animals, sunlight, minerals, etc. All these gifts of nature make a earth a place worthy living. Now the while of these nature resources are present on the earth in plenty, unfortunately the necessities of the most of these has increased extremely over the centuries due to the growth of the human development. Conservation of a nature means the preservation of the forest, land, water bodies and minerals, etc. It is essential to conserve these resources in order to retain the environment integral. This is necessary for the conservation of a nature, the nature resources and it offers. They are the sum of the ways: reduce the consumptions, reduce the uses of electricity, restrict the uses of paper, use a newer agriculture methods, and the most important, spread awareness. And with the conclusion, I would like to say nature comprises of everything that surrounds us. Keeping nature and its resources integral, so it is a very important for the continuations of a life on a earth. It would be difficult to imagine life on a earth which has a spoiled environment. Therefore, take an appropriate step to consume a nature in an untouched form. It must be a priority for the human races. Yours, mine, ours. Thank you, and have a nice day.